This is the Hello World podcast. I also like it when you introduce the term performance needs analysis, because a lot of learning professionals have been exposed to and get stuck with the training needs analysis.
Mhm.
And later on, we discover in our career as L&D professionals that not everything, as you mentioned, can be and will be addressed by training alone.
Knowing performance needs analysis, why I mentioned that because I affirmed that just recently. I worked with a school, and the initial goal was to put together a training for teachers so they'd get used to online tools,
Mhm.
converting offline learning materials to online learning. But that was really the goal. But when we started
Mhm.
probing, we found out that they had these fears. Okay, among other things, they had these fears about technology, whether discomfort or worry that technology would replace them. The fears are there. So
Mm.
that's affecting their
Wow.
performance. So
The
instead of
fear of
diving,
technology is real, right, Maria?
yes,
It's there.
especially to a certain generation. Imagine your a how do they call that? Baby boomers.
Baby boomer, yes.
Yeah. And then your classes kids that grew up with the internet, with devices. So
Mhm.
medyo malayo yung there's really a big gap between,
Agree.
how the baby boomers and the students now use technology. So there's really fear. So in this particular for this particular client, instead of going ahead and conducting a training on, okay, how do you do a screencast, or how do you use your learning management system, we first had to structure some workshops
Mhm.
that or dialogues, schedule some dialogues with the school director, with the board, just to address people's fears.
Mhm.
They're feeling uncertain about what's happening. And once we got that out of the way, then we could now introduce the core training
Mhm.
program, if you would say. So,
Mhm.
yeah, knowing what's keeping people from performing
Mhm.
at their best, knowing that, and
Mhm.
then removing the blockage to that
Okay.
performance. It would
Mhm.
be, at least to my experience, it would be easier to now introduce something new to them. They already
Mhm.
have this confidence. They're assured that things are going to be fine, and
Yes.
the school board has their back, or the leadership has their back. And then
Mhm.
that makes the experience better
Mhm.
for people.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.